Good evening and welcome to the news. First, a look at the headlines. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma meets Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Dr. M. Rahman Kazi submitted a suggestion to expert committee on reservation. MLA and MDC of Nongpok constituency meets Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi. Will ensure that Maurok will remain within the Maulai constituency, says Tabor Lang Pathau. And Spain defeats England 2-1 to clinch record 4th European Soccer Championship title. The news in detail. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma meets Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today. This was the first time that the Chief Minister met the Prime Minister after assuming office for the third time. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren also met Prime Minister this afternoon. Demanding 5% reservation for the Desi Muslims of the Plain Belt from the General Pool, TMC MLA from Rajabala constituency, Dr. M. Rahman Kazi submitted a suggestion to the expert committee on reservation. Dr. Kazi, on his suggestion, mentioned about the ancestral details of the Muslim population residing there since 1600 AD. Regarding Khasi Hills demanding more shares on reservation and Garo Hills demanding status quo, he said that this can be done without affecting the reservation quota of the Khasi, Jantia and Garo communities.
The main issue that is happening is what is the origination of the people of the plain belt area. So I tried to highlight that. Basically, if we go to the ancient history, if we go way back in 1600 AD, so we can see that those plain belt people are there on or before 1600 AD also. History is suggesting that during Mughal era, if you are aware of that Mirjumula, it is near Ampati, near Mahendraganj, near Mankachar. His graveyard is still there. So all these things are suggestive that the Muslims of that plain belt area, they are not a migrant from anywhere. Basically, they are living there since the creation of the place. Before Meghalaya was born, during undivided Assam also, and prior to that during Mughal era also.
MLA Meral Bonds Aim along with MDC Balajit Rani of Nongpok constituency today met with the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi and Chairman of the District Selection Committee, Abhilash Baranwal, urging the prompt declaration of the recruitment results for DSP posts for the year 2020-21. This initiative was undertaken by SAIM in response to numerous complaints from local youths who had applied for the various posts. Speaking to the media after the meeting, SAIM stated that the discussion was productive.
Don the recruitment, ya kaba lakhot lagi post hotel for Ribhoi district, ya kaba yang dari test ke exam lakhot senam ada for way kaba dan sa adu mentah sa tem ya kaba 4 lah demi yang result tak mi don meeting slow ya kino hikmat Ribhoi ban budin yang kena kam ladon sipun ki samla wat kam ki badan jai am balano dengan result kan ni bat ada ju popor ki kimi ki par ki balaju wan ban kendu na popor se popor man snow ya keting sukya kalau kita Islam jam da result bat kajinya keren tolong ke ban snow kena bat ila persu ya kena kam na ka no ban deploy.
The MDC of Maulai constituency, Tabor Lang Pathau, said that he will ensure that Maurok will remain within the Maulai constituency, even after the delimitation committee has recommended it to be referred to Jayau constituency. Tabor said that Maurok will not be removed from Maulai, especially those under Maulai town Dorbar. He will ensure that it will be as it used to be. However, regarding Maupat, he said that with the request of the resident of Maupat who wanted to move to Panthor, and as a leader he respects that.
What we bakadon kacing ajimot nakaliang presentation committee kabide bat snong moro bakade benlik no sejaya dan nakaliang jungahi kum u nomi kmat snong mulai badon kacing ket kle hapok isi ngala persya ya kane bat ngala om ba ka mulai ngimla ban pelat ya kanu snong ka bahap mulai konstituensi de nakaliang ka isi ru nomor ka pitip kamde ka property jong ka isi keturu kedehi ka bang hapra ka house ba ka house ru ni pabun ke mdc kila kentat no ikatu report da ka ba ki om bagi dan kamban rip ban pet yang sisi terkenal klara na select committee te tangawi suka banongi ki no song mulai kamtam no song moro ba kamoro kanomi na song mulai.
The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment (SCSTE) Meghalaya inaugurated the Meghalaya Star 30 Guiding Aspirations for NEET exams today at the SIRD campus in Nongsdare Ribhoi district. Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta, Director of NEGRIMS, was the chief guest at the event among others. The Meghalaya Star 30 program offers free residential coaching for Class 12 Science stream graduates aiming to secure admission to medical institutions across the country. A total of 48 students from across the state was selected based on specific criteria. The National Testing Agency (NTA) has announced the retest will be conducted for affected candidates of the Common University Entrance Test (CUET-UG). The examination will be held on July 19th in the CBT computer-based mode. Information to all affected candidates has been sent through email mentioning their subject codes. The admit cards for all affected candidates will be issued soon. The Office of the District Legal Services Authority (DLSA) West Khasi Hills District organized an awareness program on POCSO Act 2012, NDPS Act, NALSA Scheme 2015 and Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015 at RC Primary School Domba, Mauthat Raishan. Addressing the gathering, A.L. Mauplang informed that the main aim of the program is to provide information to the people about the different laws and rights to protect their children and its benefits. She also talks about the NALSA Scheme 2015, Child Marriage Restraint Act, Child Labour Prohibition Act, Juvenile Justice Act, while J. Walang, Inspector of Police, East and West Khasi Hills District, explained about the POCSO Act.
Ini POCSO Act ketika dalam full form ikut kata Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. Kemudian ketika ani kepala senang harus nam arja kadar, bat ketika ani kepala ai jingada ya no, ya kena kampang le ikin hai, kepala kentuk ya kejingsha bat bor, kejingsha lebor, kejingsha le iklam bor, kumjuru ya kejingsha pensapriang, ya kidur lagi video. Sebelum kena kau ada di sana. Dia hakan di distrik kejongi ni dalam tanggawi police station, ni dalam Mairang police station. But hakan distrik kejongi lagi pet house nama arga arpulai. Ia register hanya kau tuli kikis, proses nama hanya kau. Nak hanya kau arpusan tuli ditang tuli kikis kibokar kibok selain arpusan tuli. No, kalau kalau lain 100%.
Following the assassination attempt on Donald Trump, U.S. President Joe Biden addressed the nation on Sunday, stating that violence cannot be normalized at any cost, and emphasizing that differences in America are resolved at ballot boxes, not with bullets. President Joe Biden stated that while some Americans disagree on the country's future, politics will never be a battlefield. He also said that disagreement is inevitable and American democracy is part of the human nature. But politics must never be a literal battlefield. The Sinjuk Kirangba Shnong Ribhoi district, representing the headman body of Ribhoi, met with the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi today to urge establishment of the rehabilitation center in district to address drug addiction. This initiative, led by its president Bibi Makador, aims to tackle growing issues of drug addiction among local youths. Makador described the meeting as very productive, expressing gratitude to the DC. The DC also assured that the headman that a rehabilitation center will be established on rental basis initially.
Jini jong kini ki kena ki ba di drugs kalong ba badang iyo ban kami kiru tang skenta ka police la apalai marki ong ba omdan ya ki jakaset ki bobyang nam sajung ki tingi gila ekran manta badu disi badu bandan ki rehab center ibang dada iyo kem kungo de ban set yiki shagtu jaka po riboy margani kan yarap sibun ban set ban ile eki ga counseling nang bagani ki khna ba drugs ki bangot drugs kindon ke jingkala bomut kidon ki private center ki badan nang ne andre ki babun ngimla si ban sion mar ki ram kala ki badon ki bas ngotanat mentak smi disi la kula bogong ba yamata spor wat chwai kano ka yi ka ba nagalyang jungi ki bas nong ginwa ba dia ka bai wai yeng kunsi wi nagalyang district administration.
KP Sharma Oli was sworn in as Prime Minister of Nepal for the fourth time. President Ramachandra Podal today administered the oath of office and secrecy to Oli at Shital Niwas, the main building of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated Oli on his appointment as Prime Minister of Nepal. In his message, Modi said he looks forward in working closely to further strengthen the deep bonds of friendship between India and Nepal and to further expand the mutually beneficial bilateral cooperation. In football, Spain won its record fourth European Soccer Championship after defeating England 2-1 in the finals of Euro 2024 in Berlin. Nico Williams provided the first goal for Spain, scoring less than 2 minutes into the second half. Spain looked the better team throughout the match, but England's Cole Palmer scored the tying goal in the 73rd minute. Eventually, an 86th minute goal from Mikel Oyarzabal gave Spain a winning lead. This is England's second consecutive runner-up, having lost to Italy in the final of Euro 2020. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded at 27.4 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature recorded at 18.3 degrees Celsius. Humidity in the morning was 75%, increasing to 81% in the evening. Moderate rain and thunder shower are likely to occur in many places. Before we end, a quick recap with the headline. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma meets Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Dr. Kazi submitted a suggestion to expert committee on reservation. MLA and MDC of Nongpor constituency meets Deputy Commissioner of Riboy. Will ensure that Mauro will remain within the Maulai constituency, says Teiborlang Pathal. And Spain defeats England 2-1 to clinch record fourth European Soccer Championship title. We have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow, same time, same channel. Good night.